Hi everyone, this is Umair Khan. I am the founder and director of Ed Programs, and today we're here at Sceptre College, and we have 3 US universities here with us, South Dakota and Stony Brook and University of Houston. So they're here to talk to you guys about your possible opportunities to study in the US for a bachelor's degree in any field you guys would want. And also, as part of Ed Programs, you can reach out to your high school counselors, your university counselors at Sceptre, and learn more about our upcoming winter programs in Qatar and Turkey, and summer in the US. And yeah, that's it. I hope to see you guys on our tour, or hopefully we'll be back in spring with more universities at Sceptre. Thanks.
Hello, my name is Dr. Ludmi Herat. I'm the Director for the International Programs at the University of Huston Victoria. We are located in Victoria, Texas. We are a public university and we are state-owned university in the state of Texas. We are also known as the 5th most affordable university in the state of Texas. We offer programs from School of Business to School of Arts and Sciences to School of Education, Health and Nursing. One of the most unique opportunities we do offer to students from all over the world is the internship opportunities. All of our students are eligible to complete internships, maybe 1 internship or 2 internships. And our job placement of international students have passed 97%. Join our Jaguar family and make your mark, which we make your future and more opportunities possible at our university.
Hello, my name is Patrick Morrison with the University of South Dakota in the United States. I'm glad to be back in Pakistan after 20 months of not being able to travel due to COVID-19. So the University of South Dakota is our state's flagship liberal arts university. We're known for a couple factors. One being that we have very low tuition for international students at about $13,000, which is the most affordable of any US flagship university. We're also relatively small in size for a flagship with 7,500 students and a student to faculty ratio of 15:1. So students are guaranteed a personalized educational experience. Academically, we're known for our business, health science and science programs, as well as the fine arts and the humanities.
Hello everyone, my name is Youssef. I am the International Admissions Counselor from Stony Brook University, the State University of New York. We are a large research comprehensive institution known for great hands-on research opportunities from day one. Students, when they graduate, it's not only a degree, it's a degree plus a publication, and research will be attached to your names. The other factor is location. Stony Brook University is located in the state of New York. We're a big school, over 27,000 students. There are so many opportunities within the campus. We are ranked among top 1% in the world, top 1 public university in New York, and we are also among top 39 in the US. In the US only, there are more than 4,000 institutions, and that explains why Stony Brook is a good choice to make. Thank you.